from DIY Area 2020. Today we're doing face masks part 2 so everybody can be as exemplary as our cuties. For this no sewing technique you can nearly use everything you have at home, but be careful that it's made out of cotton. So you start by folding the fabric to size so it fits your face perfectly. Put on 2 hair ties or rubber bands and fold over the sides so you have a rectangle. And yeah, that's basically it. And in the video here you see 3 examples of what you can use. So please stay safe everyone, share that video to others so they have the opportunity to make their own face masks as well. Like and subscribe for more and comment what you think of those masks. Love you all and see you in the next video. Bye!